1970 Chevrolet Camaro
Z28.
And being a Z28, this one features an LT1 350 cubic inch V8. That means a forged crank, rods, and pistons, solid lifters, aluminum intake manifold, Holley 780 CFM carb, 4-bolt mains, and a compression ratio of 11:1. Altogether, this monster was putting out 360 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. You could get a 4-speed manual transmission, but for the first time ever, the 1970 Z28 had an automatic available, and that just happens to be what this car features. It's a turbo 400 3-speed. Out back, 373 gears were standard, but this one has the optional upgrade of 410 rear gears. The Camaro got a little heavier for the redesign in 1970, but it still wasn't too bad. This one, with driver, is 3,716 pounds. The 1970 Camaro was very popular with over 112,000 produced, and 8,733 of those were Z28s. Car and Driver magazine tested a Z28 Camaro with the exact same configuration in May of 1970. It ran 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds and the quarter mile in 14.2 seconds at 100.3 miles per hour. That was pretty quick for a small block in 1970, so we'll see if its opponent can keep up. 1972 Pontiac GTO. There were 3 engines available in the GTO that year. The base 400 rated 250 horsepower. The 455 also rated 250 horsepower. And then what this car features, the 455 HO. And that came with several upgrades over the standard 455, including round exhaust ports, an aluminum intake manifold, an 068 cam, and a slightly higher compression ratio of 8.4:1. Altogether, it was making 300 net horsepower and 415 pound-feet of net torque, and those are extremely impressive numbers for 1972. Of course, an automatic transmission was available, and it would probably be more consistent on the drag strip, but where's the fun in that? This one has the 4-speed manual. Out back, you'll find the stock rear gearing, and that just happens to be a set of 355s. And then we get to the biggest weakness of this car, literally. Its weight. With driver included, this GTO is 3,950 pounds. The GTO didn't sell very well in 1972, and only 645 had the 455 HO engine. If you break that down into those with the 4-speed manual, that was only 310. How about we check out the race between these two monsters?
Actually, technically Chevy.
At the time of filming, the temperature was 60 degrees, humidity 36%, elevation 754 feet, and the barometric pressure was 29.38 inches. Let's check out that first round.
We call this a 70.5. This also has the RS package, which that means it has the split bumpers. LT1 engine. He's going against Jim Szymanski.
In the first round, the Camaro takes the win, running 13.59 seconds at 102.17 miles per hour. And in the other lane, the GTO ran 14.58 seconds at 100.37 miles per hour. Let's check out round 2 and see if that GTO can get some revenge. In the second round, we get a similar result with the Camaro taking home the win, running 13.62 seconds at 101.92 miles per hour. In the other lane, the GTO ran 14.73 seconds at 100.05 miles per hour, and with that, the Camaro takes home the best of 3 title. Huge thanks to both of the owners for bringing out these cars. It was awesome seeing them on the drag strip. I'll catch you guys at the next one.